Hello, teacher and classmates. My name is Jenny Paola Delgado Rincon. In this presentation, I will tell you about the city where I live and where I have lived all the time. Bucaramanga is the capital and largest city of the department of Santander. Current approximate has the ninth largest population in the country with 521,857 people. Bucaramanga has grown rapidly since the 1960s, mostly into neighboring locations within the metropolitan area. Urban area. It has a total extension of 165 square kilometers. The average climate. It has an average temperature of 23 degrees Celsius and average maximum of 30.9 degrees Celsius. Current situation of education. The city has 97 public and private schools and 16 universities. The most important university at public level in the city is the Industrial University of Santander, WIS, which is ranked among the 4 best in the country in the public sector. In the private sector, several universities stand out as the Autonomous University of Bucaramanga, UNAB, and the Santo Tomás University. Current situation natural resource. The main rivers of Bucaramanga are the Río de Oro and the Surata River, and the streams of La Flora, Tona, La Iglesia, Quebrada Seca, Cacique, El Horno, San Isidro, Las Navas, La Rosita, and Bucaramanga. The Golden River is one of the most important rivers that cross the city of Bucaramanga and its metropolitan area. Current urbanization and commerce situation. An industrial activity developed in Bucaramanga that has gained national recognition is the footwear industry. For this reason, the Footwear Manufacturers Association, ASOINDUCALS, is located in the city. There is also a big clothing industry. There are a growing number of technological research centers in various topics such as energy, gas, oil, corrosion, asphalt, leather, and agroindustrial development tools, among others. In the recent years, several major shopping centers and commercial buildings have been built in Bucaramanga. Among the shopping centers are Florida, Megamall, Cacique, Parque Caracolí, de la Cuesta, de Acrópolis, and de Cacique. Current culture and entertainment situation. Bucaramanga's culture has several expressions from the visual arts, such as painting, sculpture, photography, and recently also in experimental demonstration that incorporate new technology for artistic communication, such as video. My personal perception on security in my city. In Bucaramanga, there is an increase in insecurity that affects the mood and quality of life of all people, as they are afraid to go out into the streets. This is due to the lack of opportunities that exist in the city and the country as such, and they live in research of an easy life to survive. My personal perception, immigration. The immigration of Venezuelans in Bucaramanga is an issue that affects our city, since we are very close to the border and these people come in search of opportunities. They by not finding any way out, they take as an option to affect our security. Bye bye.